Okay, starting with homework check 10.6. Okay, starting with problem 1 from homework check 10.6. Well, we know that the formula is going to be measure of angle A is equal to half the measure of arc AB. Well, in the picture, it shows that 122 is measure of arc AB. So we know that our formula can be measure of angle A is equal to half of 122. Well, when we divide 122 by 2, you get measure of angle A to equal 261. So your answer is measure of angle A equals 61. Okay, we're going on to problem 2 on homework check 10.6. Well, we can say that measure of angle CED is equal to 1/2 times the measure of arc CD plus the measure of arc AB. Well, then we need to plug in all the answers for everything. So x is equal to 1/2 parenthesis 143 plus 151. Then we need to add together the parentheses. So we get, when we add 143 and 151, you get 294. So then you get x is equal to 1/2 times 294. And when you take 294 divided by 2, you will get 147. So x is equal to 147. Okay, now we're going on to problem 3. In this problem, we can say that the measure of angle BCD is equal to half the measure of arc AE minus the measure of arc BD. Then, like the last one, we need to add in all the problems, all of the numbers in. So you will get 42 is equal to half of x minus 113. Well, rather than distributing the 1/2, you can multiply it by 2, and you will get 42 times 2, which is then 84. So 84 is equal to x minus 113. And then when you add 113 to the other side, you will get 113 plus 84. So x is equal to 197. So your answer is then 197 equals x. Okay, we are now moving into problem 4. Well, we can tell that it is a supplementary, that there is a supplementary angle, so we can say that 180 is equal to 112 plus x. Well, we're trying to figure out x, so then we need to minus 112 from that side. When we subtract 112, then that side we will get I made a mistake there in writing, so don't mind it. You will get 68 is equal to, 180 minus 112 is then 68. So you'll get 68 is equal to x. Well, you're not done because you're trying to find the arc measure. So we know that we need to multiply 68 by 2. So we'll get 68 times 2 is 136. So your answer of arc A is 136. Okay, now continuing on to problem 5. In problem 5, we can state that 89 is equal to 1/2 x plus 143. Well, you know that you can multiply each by 2 instead of distributing the 1/2 to make it easier. So 2 times 89 is equal to 178. So 178 is equal to x plus 143. Well, you need to take 178 minus 143 to get 35. So x is equal to 35. So 35 is your answer. Okay, so we're moving on to problem 6, the last problem. Well, in this problem, we can say 56 is equal to 1/2 5x minus 2 minus x. Well, we need to make sure that we figure out the parentheses there. So we get 5x is equal to 1/2 times 4x minus 2. Well, rather than distributing the 1/2, we are going to times both sides by 2 to get 112 is equal to 4x minus 2. Well, when we add 2 to both sides, then you get 114 is equal to 4x. And then you need to divide 4x on both sides, so you get 114 divided by 4 is going to be 28.5. So 28.5 is equal to x, and that is your answer. Well, that's it for homework check 10.6. Thanks for watching.